I would like to begin with some brief information about your background. Could you tell us where you went to law school?
I went to law school at Cleveland Marshall College of Law.
What do you do and what kind of law do you practice?
Well, I do a whole bunch of things. I practice in the labor and employment area, which is pretty broad. I do workers' comp defense. I do OSHA cases. I do non-compete agreements, both sides. I help companies in anything that touches an employee.
Are you a solo practitioner or a member of a law firm?
I'm a member of Benish, which is a relatively large law firm here in Cleveland.
How long have you been practicing in Cleveland?
I've been practicing now 28 years, all with Benish.
How long have you been a member of the law library?
I've been a member of the law library 28 years, all with Benish.
Have you spent a lot of time here over the years?
Originally, when I first started in the early 90s and mid-90s, I was sent here, or I thought maybe I could find something here, and I buried myself in the books. Mostly in the state libraries on the other side of on the one side of the library, and the digests of the annotated state statutes. I got to know them up close and personal.
Would you say that a lot has changed here over the years?
Yes. As technology has changed, the law library has changed. What used to be dot commands in Westlaw are now natural language and something that's very user-friendly with a nice graphic user interface. Now instead of looking at state statutes in a book, I would look at them online or ask somebody to look at them online. Not all of it's for the better. Sometimes there was value going through a book, and the digests, which were very helpful. I think we don't use them enough anymore, and especially in labor and employment practice, where a lot of the words that you might put in a keyword search are the same. The digest and the key numbers, or the whatever service you use, those classification outlines were very helpful, and I think the newer attorneys fail to understand that. Also, using the law library now still, it's different. I don't walk over as much as anymore. Sometimes I'll get things faxed to me or emailed to me, or I'll ask our firm's law librarian to get something for me, like a book. I need a chapter to kind of get a basic understanding of something, or I'll sometimes send people over here.
What do you remember most about our staff, past or present?
Well, as you know, I'm the president of the Cleveland Law Library, so I've gotten to know some of the staff over the years. I've been a board member for, 15 years or so, president for a bunch of years, and I've gotten to know Kathy Dugan extremely well. She is amazing. And Eric, too. And Amy.
Do you have any special memories of your time here?
I've got lots of memories here. I've been doing CLEs here for 13 years, I found out last week. And doing CLEs in the main reading room is phenomenal. It's a nice experience. It's really special to me.
Tell us about how you conduct legal research. What tools do you use?
Well, today I have associates doing my legal research a lot, but when I do it, I use Bloomberg Law a lot. I use the internet carefully tools. If I'm doing research in the OSHA area, the Occupational Safety and Health Review Commission has its own website where it's pretty easy to do research. The National Labor Relations Board has its own website that I can do research. And then when I need some background, I'll get a book and start with a book and try to get a basic understanding. And the thing that I say it's a little bit different now is when you get legal research presented to you or a memo presented to you, you always have to check. And so sometimes I do that checking, which maybe is research, maybe it's just checking, I don't know, but I do that.
Is there anything that we didn't talk about that you would like to add?
Yes. Happy birthday, Cleveland Law Library. It's 150 years old, and that's very special.